if you're nervous for whatever reasons, giving a presentations, going into a networking event, or going into a high-stake interviews. And here's how it works, is your breathing count. We're actually going to start with 4 in the middle, okay, even though it's 8, 4, 7. 4, count, inhale. So everybody try it with me. Inhale, I'll count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then exhale for 7 count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then hold your breath for 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then inhale again for 4, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then hold your breath. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's how that works. And if you want to double the effect, your tongue should be pushing behind your top 2 teeth as you do that exercise. So I would do 10 rounds of 8, 4, 7 with the tongue, tip of the tongue, very gently, not pushing, not forcing, just gently touching the back of your teeth. Kind of like barely brushing your palate. When I was pregnant with my second child, I needed to do a procedures that they trying to get me to use epidural. I refused. And so we compromised on a couple of painkillers that were administered through IV, but the only way that they could tell that the milder painkiller was kicking in was when my heart rate increased. So after they administered the drug, and the doctor told me, you're gonna feel like you had a couple of cocktails, you're gonna start feeling a little woozy, and we can read your heart rate monitor, and we know the drug is kicked in. They waited. I started feeling very oozy, like I had 2 cocktails, and they still waiting for my heart rate to pick up. My heart rate never picked up because I was using 8, 4, 7 as a breathing technique, and it actually ended up evening out my heart rate, despite them having administered this drug that is supposedly speed up my heart rate. Okay, now that's calm. And the confidence, calm and confidence, is in the power pose. If you haven't heard of it, just Google it, look it up. It's by Amy Cuddy. It's been around for at least a decade. And the whole idea is that if you feel a little intimidated or for whatever reason anxious, because the client's kind of angry or they are just intimidating, then you go into a bathroom, go into somewhere where you can have privacy, and then you hold a pose that make you feel powerful. Okay, it can be Superman, Wonder Woman. If you have a place to sit down, again, privacy, you can sit down, kick your feet up on the desk. You know, these are very common power poses that makes people feel confident, and it actually alters your body chemistry that helps you feel comfortable and confident and calm. The one thing that I encourage you is to experiment and to try what poses actually works best for you. I recently accidentally find out that my personal power pose is holding an archery pose. I never practiced archery before until my youngest wanted to do it. I did it with her, just for some reason holding that bow, and even now pretending that I'm pulling it as far as I can and pretending I'm aiming at something, that makes me feel confident. That's just me, but you need to find something that really works for you, that you will have the space, if you look for it, the space and the privacy to do it.